The RT2 wireless remote whole house fan control is a smart control that uses temperature or a built-in timer to control whole house fans. Using temperature control and the optional outdoor temperature sensor improves comfort and energy efficiency for your homeowners. Let's take a look at this smart whole house fan control. This is the wireless RTK kit for whole house fans using 1, 2, or 3-speed PSC or ECM motors. The kit includes a detailed installer and homeowner manual, as well as a quick start guide for homeowners. This is the FC3J fan control that will be wired and installed in the whole house fan electrical box and controls the whole house fan using relays that have been tested to over a 15-year life cycle. Next is the RM2 radio module that will be connected to the fan control using the plug-and-play cable provided. And finally, the RT2 wireless whole house fan control that is set on a bedside table or used anywhere in the home. The wireless remote control and the radio module are FCC certified and have a long history of reliability. The whole house fan can be powered using the Romex power wiring in a home or a power cord. If a power cord is used, the fan control wiring can be done before sending the fan out for installation. We are using a power cord and a cable clamp. Install the cable clamp and power cord through the end of the electrical box where the ground lug is. The fan control has 6 wires. Red is the low speed control, yellow is the medium speed control, purple is the high-speed control, black is 120 VAC, white is neutral, and green is ground. Refer to the RTK manual for wiring diagrams specific to the type of fan, PSC or ECM, and the number of speeds. We'll be wiring a 2-speed PSC whole house fan, so the yellow medium-speed wire will be cut off at the PC board. On this 2-speed PSC whole house fan, there are 4 wires. The white wire is the neutral, black is high speed, and red is the low speed wire. There will be a green ground wire. In this fan, it is already connected to the ground lug. There are 3 wires from the power cord. Black is 120 VAC, white is neutral, and green is ground. Always check the whole house fan manual to verify the wire colors and their function. Hold the fan control with the transformer at the opposite end from the power cord. Connect the 3 white neutral wires together using a wire nut. Now connect the 2 or 3 green ground wires together. The fan control ground wire is connected to the cover plate. Next, connect the 2 black 120 VAC wires together. Now let's connect the purple wire on the fan control to the black high-speed wire on the whole house fan. And finally, connect the red wire on the fan control to the fan red low-speed wire on the whole house fan. Once this is done, wiring is now complete. Slide the power cord out as far as possible, then tighten the cable clamp screws. Press the wires and wire nuts toward the power cord end and install the fan control in the electrical box. Secure the cover plate with the screws provided. The wireless control and the radio module are shipped with matching IDs, so multiple whole house fans can be used in the same home or in neighboring installations without causing interference. A wireless control will only communicate with a radio module having the same ID. To see the ID label on the wireless control, remove the foot. Make sure the wireless control and radio module have the same ID numbers. Now that you have verified the ID numbers are the same, use the cable provided and insert one connector into the radio module and the other into the fan control. Next, we'll set installer options. Install 2 AA batteries in the wireless control, making sure they are inserted correctly. You may see NC displayed intermittently. This simply indicates that the wireless control hasn't connected with the radio module. We'll connect the control to the module after setting options. There is only one installer option that needs to be set: fan speeds, and only if the number of fan speeds is different than the factory default of 2 speeds. To access the option, press and hold the menu key for about 7 seconds to display installer option 01. This option sets the fan speed and defaults to 2 speed. Use the down key to select 1 for a 1-speed fan, or the up key to select 3 for a 3-speed fan. Press the enter key. There is a second option that is a tool for installers and is used when a low-speed startup is not adequate to fully open the damper. When the option is set to on, the whole house fan will start up in high speed and after about 10 seconds will return to the low-speed setting. Press and hold the menu key until option 01 is displayed. Press next to display option 02. Use the up key to turn the option on and enable high-speed start to help open dampers, or leave the option defaulted to off. So far, we've wired the control board to the whole house fan, connected the control board to the radio module, and set the installer options. At this point, the whole house fan and controls are ready to go into the field. Since we are using a power cord to power the whole house fan, we can test the wiring before sending it out. Make sure the whole house fan is secure. Plug the whole house fan into 120 VAC. The radio module will blink yellow, indicating it is waiting for the first command from the wireless control. Let's send the first command to the wireless control by changing the fan speed. When the command is received by the radio module, the LED turns green to indicate it is linked to the wireless control. Test the wiring by turning econocooling on, then lower the set to temperature below the indoor temperature. On will blink, indicating the fan is active. Verify that high speed is operating. Now change the fan speed using the control and verify that low speed is operating. Once everything checks out, you have a system that is tested and ready for installation. The RT2 wireless whole house fan control is a smart control that uses temperature or a built-in timer to control the whole house fan. Not only is the RT2 wireless whole house fan control easy and quick to install because it eliminates installing the timer and speed switch and the line voltage wiring, it is also a smart control that improves comfort and energy efficiency for your homeowners.